This critter right here is known as the Puerto Rican Tody or Todus mexicanus. It is a bird who, despite its scientific name, is completely endemic to the island of Puerto Rico, where it is locally known as the San Paradito or Little St. Peter, as well as the Medio Peso or half-dollar bird. Puerto Rican Tody is a small avian and one of the smallest representatives of the order Coraciiformes, with an average body length of around 4 inches. The upper parts of the Puerto Rican tody are an emerald green color and it has light yellow flanks and underside tail converts, as well as a white belly and chest. Additionally, it has a red throat and lower bill, which itself can be as long or longer than the rest of the head. Their legs and feet are a brownish color, and the tarsus is similar length to the bill. Females and males are not sexually dichromatic, and the only difference between the two is their eye color, with males having gray eyes whilst females typically have white eyes. The Puerto Rican tody can be found throughout the main island of Puerto Rico, but is especially fond of predominantly forested areas, both high altitude forests and high altitude rainforests and mountainous dry forests. Here they feed primarily upon insects such as katydids, grasshoppers, crickets, earwigs, dragonflies, flies, and beetles, making up some 85% of their diet. The toadies occasionally further feed upon worms, arachnids, seeds, frogs, and small lizards. Puerto Rican tody has been researched extensively because of its unusual body temperature. The body temperature control and temperature control abilities of this bird are unique, as most forms have a body temperature around 40 degrees Celsius. Puerto Rican toadies can maintain a body temperature of 36.7 degrees Celsius. This allows them to spend 33% less energy than other forms. Puerto Rican toadies can lower their body temperatures by 14 degrees Celsius. This species forms yearly monogamous pairs that begin courtship between February and May. A ritual consists of chasing each other while rattling the wings, and both males and females must achieve a flank display before copulation, where they fluff out their flanks, causing them to form a spherical ball. The Puerto Rican tody has an unusual nesting technique, and during an 8-week period, the male and female toadies excavate a 25 to 35 centimeter long narrow burrow with a right angle in an earth bank. They create their nest at the end of this burrow, where the female will lay between 1 to 4 eggs, which are then incubated by both parents over the course of 21 days until they hatch.